You say hi, Gracie. Hi. Hi, Pumpkin. Hi. 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 Can you say, I'm wearing Mama's baby clothes. I'm wearing Mama's baby clothes. Yeah. Yeah. Say hi. Hi. Hi, little one. Hi. Hi. You say hi? Hi. 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 Yeah. Do you see? This is what Mommy wore. Yeah. This is what Mommy wore when she was a baby. Uh-huh. What else? What else do you have to say? Huh? And what's behind you? Is that the quilt that Jenny made? Is that the quilt that Jenny made for you? Aunt Jenny made that for you. Yeah. You're falling, little one. You're falling.